Okay, guys, really, this is your saddest attempt yet. Even Chip knows that's Patrick in the same costume he wore for Halloween last year.
No, really! You gotta come save me!
Hey, Sandy, who's your friend?
But you're supposed to be in the gorilla suit.
I am in the gorilla suit. I thought I was doing a pretty good job.
If you're Patrick, then who's that? Ah, a real gorilla?
I didn't warn them about the dangers of outside. Yes, Chip, I know they're my two dearest friends in the whole world, but I told them I wasn't going outside no matter what. We can do without the name calling. Thank you very much, used napkin. I know, Chip. If it was me out there, bagged by an ape, Patrick and Sandy would risk anything to save me. And I've got to do the same for them. If I don't come back, Chip, take good care of Gary. Well, here I go. From the safety of my home to the outside world. Taking my first step. So far, so good. I think I can do this. Ah! Oh, darn that dude! Get off of me! Get off of me! Chip, help me! Help me! I'm still alive. Go back inside yet? It's too late. Patrick? Sandy?
Yes, SpongeBob?
I'm sorry I caused all this. I'm not scared of going outside anymore. But I'm terrified of gorillas now.
Well, that's okay, SpongeBob. Us too.
You know what I don't understand, though? What? What's a gorilla doing underwater in the first